Today we're going to be looking at a brand new Dibea product. This is the D008 Pro. So this is the box that it came in with. It's a corrugated box, nothing fancy. So I'll be doing an unboxing and let's see what this vacuum brings to the table. Let's look at the features and a cleaning test later on. Just to save on time, I took everything out of the box, and this is what you will get. So that's the old Dibea. I will be comparing this later on. So first thing you'll get would be the soft roller cleaning head. This tool works best on surfaces like this, bare floor surfaces like this. It has the same, it was first seen in a Dyson V6. Now most of the products coming from China, at least the cordless vacuums, comes with this tool. This would be the main motor of the vacuum with the battery and the switch. It has the same trigger switch found in the Dyson, and you'll need to connect that to this. This would be the dirt bin, and this would be the max, and this button would, I guess, would activate the max function of this vacuum. So like the Dyson, this vacuum has two power modes, normal and max. Here's a look at the dirt bin. According to the manual, according to the website of GearBest, this has a 0.55 liter capacity, which is the same as the old Dyson V8 and V6 variants. Next up would be this flexible tool. This is a combination brush and an upholstery tool. You can see that it has a felt-like material underneath for agitation. Also get this flexible hose attachment. You can use this inside your vehicle. You attach the brush tool here on the other end and use this to clean inside your vehicle. This is a great add-on. This extends the reach and the versatility. This would be the mini turbo brush. Again, this product aims to compete with the Dyson. If you want to know more about this product, please check the link below. I'll write a review about this, and where you'll see the complete specs, where to buy it, and how it compares with other Dibea products. Next up would be this long crevice tool. I appreciate that they've increased the length of a crevice tool, so this adds to the reach. It also comes with an improved combination tool. This is a brush and a crevice tool. You can also use this on upholstery. It almost looks like the one found in the Dyson, and using this is much easier. Pulling this forward and retracting it is also easier. Let me try to do this with one hand. So it's much easier. Just press this switch here, pull it down like so. And lastly, you'll get this extension one that allows you to use this on floors, and which gives it its versatility. And then this would be the power cord. Okay, right now let's connect this dirt bin with this power switch. To do that, just align these notches here at the bottom and push the top part until it clicks together. So this is how it sounds when you squeeze the trigger. It turns on, and this would be the max button, I presume. So if you press this, the vacuum goes in max mode, and when you press the button again, it turns off. Okay, let's explore this vacuum. At the back would be the battery status. When you turn it on, you'll see these bars flash. If this battery is full, there will be 3 bars here, but right now there's 2 bars left, which means it's still almost full. On top is the max switch, and this would be the exhaust vent. So they put the vents here on top so that it doesn't blow on your face when you're using this. On the side of the vacuum, you can see the max fill line. This dirt bin can hold 0.55 liters of dirt. And like all Dibea vacuums, it comes with a drop door mechanism that opens when you push this button. Dirt should drop from here. Okay, let's try to connect all the attachments to the vacuum. So this would be the mini turbo brush. It pivots back and forth, so when you clean stuff like sofas or stairs, it helps maintain contact. So let's just look at the brush roll spinning. So this is the brush roll spinning with the mini turbo brush. And to remove it, just push this button. Yeah, let's try this tool on. This would be the flexible brush and upholstery tool. So this is useful cleaning areas above your head, ceiling vents, cabinets, and ceiling fans. So what I like about this is that all the attachments lock in place. Next up would be this crevice tool. Let's try it on again. It locks in place. It's easy to remove. Last would be this combination brush and crevice tool. Again, it locks in place. Removing it is quite easy. You don't need to wiggle it just to get it in. So Dibea has improved usability. Lastly, let's try on this flexible hose. This perhaps would be my favorite tool. If you have a vehicle that you need to clean, this is a must-have tool to clean your areas under the seat or clean the areas on your dashboard. Unfortunately, you cannot use this with the motorized tool. You can only use this with the crevice combination and the upholstery tool that I've showed you earlier. But that's plenty enough. That's plenty. You can extend this hose, move it back and forth. It's pretty flexible. And lastly, we have this would be the extension wand. It allows you to use this on floors, and you can attach all the tools here. You can attach the crevice tool like so, but this is most useful with this main cleaning head. Here's the old Dibea and the new Dibea side by side, so you can clearly see the improvements made. It has a bigger body, but the dirt bin of both of these vacuums are almost the same. Maybe this one is slightly bigger, and this one has a power switch. The max switch is here, and the biggest difference between these two would be the size of the main cleaning head. This one is wider. This compared to this would be the traditional cleaning head that they had before. It's a motorized brush, a bristle brush with soft bristles. So let's see if Dibea will come up with a variant that has both bristle and this soft roller head. So let's see if we can use the main cleaning head of the new Dibea on the old Dibea and vice versa. This is just an experiment to see if Dibea changed the contact points of these tools. So I don't think you can use the new cleaning head on the old Dibea, unfortunately. The contact points are somewhat different. So let's try to use the bristle brush on the new Dibea. So it does not fit. You cannot use the old cleaning head on the new Dibea. So you'll have to wait. If you're looking for a tool with new Dibea with a bristle brush, you'll have to wait for Dibea to come out with that option. So let's see how this mini turbo brush does on this dirty chair. Let's see how much dirt it's able to pick up. So you can see that it maintains contact as you go back and forth because of the pivoting head, and it's picking up a bit of dirt. So now let's try it with the max function on, with the max suction on. Let's see how much it picks up. You can also use this tool on stairs and sofas and various upholstery. So it did pick up a bit of dirt. I don't know if you can see it at this angle. It did pick up dust. So it does a pretty good job in my opinion. So if you look closely at the mini turbo brush, its bristles are not very stiff. It's at the middle in terms of stiffness. I would rate it around a 6 or 7 out of 10. This would be a strip of cloth for added agitation. Behind the brush, you have a wheel that helps with making the movement smooth. And to remove the brush, you just twist this lever here to pull out the brush. You can use a coin or a flathead screwdriver to twist this around and remove the screw. I have this key here just to demonstrate how to do it. Just twist this and this one will come off. And this would be how the brush looks like, and let's put it back in. Make sure to line it up here and do the opposite to lock it in place like so. For the cleaning test, this is the mess that it has to clean. Let me just give you a close look. It's a mixture of oats, some dust, and powder. So let's see how this tool does cleaning this big pile of dirt. I'll be using normal power, single back and forth pass, just to see how well it cleans. Okay, it did a pretty solid job picking up most of the dirt scattered on the floor. I just want to give you a close-up look. So there are some bits of powder left. You can see it on my finger as I rub it on the floor. There's some powder residue left, but all of the oats, rolled oats, Quaker oats, went inside the bin. I'll show you the bin later on. So let me just finish cleaning up this mess. So if you look closely at the floor, most of the dirt is inside the bin. Let me just check if there's some powder residue. There's a bit of powder residue, but most of the dirt is inside the bin, which I'll show you right now. So this is how the bin looks like. It's almost full. I'll empty it during the carpet cleaning test. It's almost at the fill line. Most of the dirt stayed down here, though some seeped through on the filter. But if you're cleaning lots of hair or pet hair or dust, expect it to seep through in this area. For the carpet cleaning test, I just want to show you how to empty this bin. So you'll need to press this button here, and this door drops down. All of this dirt goes down with it. So just like that, take note that most of this dirt is quite heavy. It's heavy dirt, These are Quaker oats. So if you're cleaning fluffy stuff like dust or hair, it could stay in this area. So that's just a heads up. So I'll do a single back and forth pass in max mode. See what happens. So as you can see, it did leave quite a bit of dirt. It picked up most of the dirt on the floor, but these crumbs, it left these crumbs behind and some powder residue. So let's see how it does with the rest of this dirt. Again, I'll use this in max mode. So just want to quickly show you how the tool looks like, the main cleaning head looks like. So there's no dirt on the suction chamber, so that means most of the dirt is inside the bin. So it picked up most of the dirt, but if you look closely, there's some particles of dust left here. So it didn't pick up 100% of the dirt I scattered. It did leave the finer bits of dirt. This perhaps the weakest biggest Achilles heel of this tool. It doesn't have those bristles that dig in carpet strands, or in this case rug strands. So overall, this vacuum works best in homes with bare floor. If you have carpet, it can do a good job at cleaning at least the surface dirt, but it will not deep clean carpet. So if you have any questions about this product, please feel free to comment below. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon right beside it to get the latest videos that I upload in the future. And I'll see you again in the next video.